Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a neutral base render so Lightmix can work predictably. Enable Lightmix in Corona's render setup. This creates the Lightmix render element. Make sure you have Corona lights placed and named. This helps you identify channels later. Once done, set camera exposure and white balance to neutral values so colors are not skewed. You want consistent, physically plausible lighting first. Then you can push creative adjustments non-destructively with Lightmix. Now add the Corona Lightmix render element and any other needed AOVs. Start a low-res or region render to populate Lightmix channels quickly so you can map and adjust without waiting. You will see separate channels for each named Corona light. Match them to your scene by toggling visibility. Once matched, adjust individual intensities and colors to find balances. This non-destructive workflow lets you experiment rapidly while preserving original render data. Finish by dialing each channel. Change intensity, hue, or saturation to craft the mood. Once satisfied, export the Lightmix result as a single beauty pass or keep channels separate for compositing in your NLE. Make sure to save presets for recurring setups. They speed future iterations. If something goes wrong, like missing channels, check that lights are Corona lights and properly named, and re-render the Lightmix element. That usually restores missing data quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.